Content is king. Every business needs content. Content that helps a business stand out. Any person visits your site, then they have a reason. Without reason, there may be a visitor, but a very minute chance of becoming a customer. If you can't write SEO optimized content, are you looking to a professional content writer for your and your client website as well? Don't be panicked. Acquaintance with MH Moffitt's professional content writer. I will provide a wide range of services as listed below. Feature writing, business writing, research papers, real estate content, press release, technical writing, SEO content, instructional design, ghostwriting, blog writing, etc. Benefits: to take my services. No plagiarism. No grammatical errors. Highly researched content. SEO friendly, user-friendly content. What are you waiting for?